problem 3 from exam 4 review sheet. The prescriber ordered 500 milliliters D5NS IV 10 hours. The drop factor of the IV equipment is 10 drops per milliliter. After 5 hours, 200 milliliters of the solution remain to be infused. Recalculate the flow rate in drops per minute to ensure the remaining fluid is absorbed within the 10-hour expected time frame. So after 5 hours, 200 milliliters of the solution remain to be infused. So that means we had infused so far 300 milliliters. So we have yet 200 milliliters to be infused in the remaining 5 hours time, and we want to recalculate the flow rate in drops per minute. So again, we want drops per minute, and we're starting with the fact then that there are 200 milliliters to be infused in 5 hours time. So just as in the previous problem, problem number 1, we need to get from milliliters per hour to drops per minute. Well, we can get to the right time again with that 1 hour is 60 minutes. The hours would now cancel, and we would now have the correct number of milliliters per minute that the patient should receive. To get from milliliters to drops, we again use the drop factor. And we were told here that the drop factor of the equipment was 10 drops, making 1 milliliter. Now the milliliters cancel, and we have what we desire, drops per minute. Let's look at what canceling we can do. 10 divides into 10 one time and into 60 6 times. 5 can divide into 200. That will divide into 40 times because 5 goes into 24 times. 40 and 6 are both divisible by 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 40 20 times. So what's remaining is 20 divided by 3. And I think we should recognize that this is going to give us that repeating decimal. So again, depending upon the IV equipment, this is going to be 6.6666. So we might say that we could either, if possible, if we can set tenths of a drop per minute on the actual IV equipment, we might set a flow rate of 6.7 drops per minute. If we can only set whole numbers, we would probably set 7 drops per minute as the flow rate on the IV equipment.